Hello and welcome everybody to the video on how to make a pivot table. This is a very simple and very basic video on creating a pivot table and what are the basic features. Also we will understand why do we need to make a pivot table and what are the basic analysis that you can make with a pivot table. Now the basic requirement to make a pivot table is of course to have a data set. So we have here a dummy data set which has several fields. Now this dummy data set is quite large. It has about some 20 columns and it has about some 5000 odd rows. And the first thing that is required for any analysis to understand the data first. So let's just understand which are the different fields that we see on the screen. Very obviously, the column number G to column number U have some sales figures which are January, February, March for 16, January, February, March for 2017 and so on and so forth till the year 2020. So this is quite clear. The right hand side has numbers, it has values, it has sales numbers. It could be any other numbers as well in your table, but primarily this area is about numbers. So this is my data set. On the left hand side of my data set, I see several fields. So for example, row number 3 belongs to the manufacturer 2. It is an Indian manufacturer. This row belongs to product code number 4167. This product belongs to group number 12, and this product has a type of product which is combination product, and the other type of product that we see in the data set is plain. So now what we understand is there are some fields which are value fields and some fields which are category fields. Now what we want to understand is how to create a pivot table out of this. But before we jump there, what is the need of creating a pivot table? So for example, if you have such a data set, what you understand is this is a data by manufacturer, the flagging of the manufacturer, and the data is given by the product, and also the products are flagged by the group and the type of product. Now if this is the situation, what are the different types of analysis that you could think of? What are the answers that you are seeking through the pivot table? So just for the sake of saving time, I have listed some key questions which could be answered, and there could be many more, but at the moment let's look at these. So what is the split between Indian and MNC total sales? Now there are some manufacturers who are Indian and some manufacturers who are MNCs. Now the question is, what is the split between the different sales? So somebody who doesn't want to make pivot table can of course easily uh, create a summary list out of the Indian and MNC total sales of any year for that particular question. But then it will require some kind of a manual exercise or manual work to answer one particular question. But we don't want to answer only one question, we have several questions. So what is the quarter to quarter sales trend over 2016 to 20? Of course, this can also be answered without a pivot table, but it will require further manual work of combining all of these fields individually, January, February, March, to create quarters trend on this right hand side, and then create a summary table once again. So this will require some more manual work. What is the ranking of manufacturers by subgroup? So there is something called as super group. Okay, this is the super group. This is something called as super group, and we want to understand what is the ranking of these manufacturers by super group on sales of any year. Let us say 2020, 2017, 2016, likewise. Now this is again very easy question which can be answered by manual work, but if you want to answer all of these three questions very quickly within a matter of a few seconds, you will need to use a pivot table. Similarly, we have just added one more question. What is the split by Indian and MNC biplane and combination, which is kind of a more complex query, which will require more complex formula to create a summary table. It can be done manually, but if you want to answer all those four questions within a matter of a minute, you will need a pivot table. So this is why you need a pivot table. That question is answered. Going